Hi friends, I'm Dr. Pam Grover. I'm a functional medicine practitioner from Rochester, New York, and I'm here to talk to you about the Ammortal Chamber. 2 years ago, I was listening to a podcast by Ben Greenfield, who was interviewing Jeremy Stitch. And they were interviewing him on just some personal case studies on people who had had improvement in their health from using actually a globe-like device, delivering the PEF through the hands, and then it would travel through the body to the feet. Inventor of some of these also decided to come up with a modality, which was the Ammortal Chamber, which had 5 different modalities in one. So you get the PEF, which is in magnetic coils within the bed, red light therapy, both near infrared and red light, as well as vibroacoustic therapy and molecular hydrogen, and some breath work. Once I was getting my catalyst delivered and I heard that this chamber was available and that I could be the first in New York State to have one, I just couldn't get out of my head that I wanted to have it. I feel really honored and excited to be the first in New York State to have an Ammortal Chamber because it has so many unique supportive qualities about it. The pulsed electric field therapy and helping with inflammation and just improving natural healing, as well as the red light therapy and vibroacoustic. We are living in a world with a lot of stress, and so just coming in for a 15 or 25-minute session, you can start having your restore relaxation in your body, which helps with the parasympathetic system, where your body can start to heal at a faster rate again. There is only 43 in the United States. I was the 16th Ammortal Chamber to be made, and there are sporting teams that are taking advantage of using the Ammortal Chamber. So right now the Diamondbacks and also the Denver Broncos have a chamber in their training room. The athletes, yes, can benefit. They can use it to get ready for a sporting event because there's an energizing session you can use, but you also can use it to recover from different trainings. But if you're just the regular person wanting to biohack your health and anti-age your body, then that's another good reason to come in to use it. There are a host of benefits that you will receive by coming in to use the Ammortal Chamber. First of which could be pain relief. The chamber does help with relaxation, which helps also with blood circulation. Also with relaxing your parasympathetic nervous system will help to get blood flow to organs that can't happen when you're stressed. There's anti-inflammatory benefits. There's also skin rejuvenation and mood improvement. There's no better time than present to come on in and try the Ammortal Chamber. We have a variety of sessions you can choose from. It can be 15 minutes, 25 minutes, or 50 minutes. So don't wait, come on in. You can go to my website, pamgrovermd.com, and book a session today.